Hi guys, guess what I just got in the mail? My next Beachly box, and I'm going to unbox it with you guys right now. If you guys saw my last unboxing, you know how much I love their messaging on the inside of the box. I'm a big proponent of doing our part in helping save our planet and our world. So I've spent a lot of time trying to figure out how I can help in that sense. So I don't use plastic anymore. I don't use plastic bottles. I don't use plastic baggies. I just use reusable everything, even down to my cotton swabs. I use reusable cotton swabs instead of the ones that we throw away. So I just wanted to quickly read what's on the inside of the box so you guys kind of get their messaging. So it says, "Hello sunshine. By ordering this box, you've helped keep a beach clean and pristine. Big thanks for supporting us and our partner, Heal the Bay. As always, don't forget to reuse or recycle." So I just love that so much. First up is this super cute bottle opener. It's Gumby-like, so it can move around just like Gumby can, and this is great to throw into your beach bag to open your bottles. Next up, we have these two products from Protect. One is a lip balm that has SPF 15 and this is SPF 30. They're both organic ingredients because I always think about when I go into the ocean what my sunscreen and what products I have on my body that will affect the wildlife and such in the ocean. So this is good products for that. It's also made in the USA, which is super important. I'm also loving that this chapstick is coconut, and as we know, I'm obsessed with coconut, which is why I'm so excited about these guys. This is a coconut detox mask. Super excited to try that. And there's 3 of them, by the way. And then the next product that I got in my Beachly box is these Rain super cute sunglasses. I love them. Don't they look so good? I love them. Next up, I got this super cute beach cover-up. It is adorable. It's coral. It has these cute little tassels at the end. I just love it. And last but not least, I got this sand cloud beach towel, and I have to read the message on here too. I'm just loving it all. It says, "Every product purchased helps our effort to preserve the beautiful marine life that inspired our beginning. A portion of profits are donated to foundations that support our mission. We thank you for your support." And their hashtag says, "Save the fishies." It's so cute. Let me just quickly open it up for you guys so I can show you what the towel looks like. So cute. And I will put all the information if you guys are interested in subscribing to Beachly on the next slide. Beachly is a quarterly subscription service, so you get a box 4 times a year. You get one each season, and what's on the inside is beach-inspired accessories and gear, and you get $200 plus worth of product, which is amazing. So anyways, thank you to the good people at Beachly for sending along another box to me. I love all the stuff and ready for the summer.